Find best Suno AI discount promo codes in 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you need to open a new browser tab and search for Suno AI discount promo codes. So after clicking on enter, you can see there are multiple web links. You just have to simply open 2 or 3 web links from here, and then we got into the grabon.in the website, and you can see the flat 20% off and flat 20% off best deals best price. And if you just simply click on the get deal options, the offer is activated and it will redirect you to the Suno AI purchasing cart. So you can use coupon codes from grabon like this one. And if we go to the other website like wethrift.com, you can see 250 free credits. The best Suno promo code is friend. So if you click on copy code and just paste it onto the purchase cart on your Suno AI, you can just redeem 250 free credits, and you can also get 30% off of selected items with code Easter. You can just click the copy code option and you can just paste it to the Suno AI purchasing cart. And for the deal spotter website, you can get Suno offer like Suno Pro plans for a $10 per month, and shop basic plan for as low as $0 per month, 20% off. You can just click on activate deal, any of your liking, and it will redirect you to the Suno AI, and you can just then add your credit card or debit card and purchase it with redeeming the discount code. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.